umfazi kamalume wami.
Okay.
Yeah, wangibambela yena wamkhulisa. Yazi wamkhulisa umntanami.
Yo.
But then I was also there. Eqinisweni asina relationship mina naye.
Okay.
Ever since maybe umntana bekana like I'd say 2 months.
Sizibulala kakhulu ukuthi we forget about ourselves and focus on our kids.
And then I'm trying my best babona. Bophila abo sharp. Ubima but then babona.
Welcome to our very first episode of Mommy Podcast, where we bring you things around motherhood, fatherhood, co-parenting, and parenting. Don't forget to like this video and do leave your comments down below. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you are notified every time we upload a new episode on this channel. We are going to be bringing you all entertainment otherwise. Remember, this is a sister podcast, so we're still in that energy of teaching and educating and opening up conversations around these spaces of motherhood, fatherhood, parenting, and co-parenting. Well, to kick off our very first episode, I have a very interesting guest. We met in a hopeless place, but I'm so glad that she is finally here. I am going to allow her to introduce herself, and we will definitely take it from there. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
All right.
Me right.
Yazini, all right ngiyakubona. Tshwarelo, nina ngiyakwazi nara abantu basekhaya bakazi ngicela ukuthi uzi-introduce ukuthi ubani etc. ubuya kuphi etc.
Okay. Igama lami ngutshwarelo Ntuli, ngiyi-Davidson. I'm a public person nje. Ngizithandela abantu. Yeah, intombazane yaselokishini nje. Yeah.
Uyabonakala ukuthi uthanda abantu. Yazi uyabonakala ukuthi umuntu abantu. Mina futhi I think ngicela ukubona lapha ku Facebook and umuntu othanda ukushare kakhulu about your life experiences, and that's why I thought ukuthi yazi Mawuzalana as our first guest, it will make sense ukuthi why. This episode was sponsored by AC Wines, where we promote responsible drinking. Don't forget that alcohol is not for sale to persons under the age of 18. Tshwarelo, asibuyele emuva kancane. Ukhulele Davidson bufunda kuphi?
Primary bengisemshweshwe and then secondary eNyathi.
Why Inyathi?
Yes.
And then after Inyathi, you were matriculator, or what happened after that?
Yeah, ngaqeda and then I went to Benoni Tech, but I couldn't finish the course bengiyenza because ngiye ngaba nomntwana.
Okay.
So I had to choose ukuthi school or umntwana, and then I had to find a job. Was ukuthi ngizokhulisa lo mntwana loyo.
Awusibuyisele emuva kancane Tshwarelo. How old are you when you found out you were pregnant?
I was 18 years of age.
Ekhaya bathini ngibuyisele kulelo langa lelo. Ufind out ukuthi pregnant, una 18, kumele ubatshele ekhaya. Uyiqale kanjani indaba leyo?
Ngitshela bani? Angitsheli umuntu.
Yeah?
Ngiyathula. So then ugokwami abantu abadala ngisho bayabona.
Okay.
So kuye sekathi wena ngiyakubona ukuthi hayi man khona into engahambi kahle. So I was like, no man, ngcono ngikhulume, you know, ngitshela ukuthi what's going on. Because by the time besengisele nayo ivele, and then mama kekho. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What's your name, mama?
2006.
So, njengoba you are 18 and you're pregnant, ugogo yena ubheke ukuthi wena uzoya esikolweni.
Yeah.
And wena ngapha so pregnant. Uphi lo oyethu le pregnancy?
Ukhona and nakibo basebabonile ukuthi kumoshekile. Yeah, but then he was there throughout the pregnancy. But you know ukuthi ekugcineni kuba nama differences. Asisabone ngaliso linye, and then we had to part our ways.
Yo.
Yeah.
So the situation, or rather the experience of pregnancy at that age, how was it for you? Because it's something new and you're still young. And how did it happen? Because I mean, I can think of myself, mina ngina 18, bevele bebasithusa ngokupreka ukuthi mama preka. Uyangiunderstand? So ucabanga ukuthi mama preka la impilo yami iphelile, but angifuna ukunderstand ukuthi your experience bekuthini? Do you feel ukuthi uphoqa family yakho? And now lento yenzakala yawazi, because remember there's a first and second and third trimester.
Yeah.
So what was happening to Tshwarelo on 18 at that particular time?
Ngizocela ngokuthi pregnancy yami bengekho nzima. Azange ngikule.
Yeah?
Bengidla into engidlayo, like bengisharp. Bengiright nje kuphela. But then it was hard because esikhathini esiningi bengizithola ngi-1 and then ngisesikolweni ngikumatric. So you understand ukuthi like bukunzimanyana mara ngiyazitshela ukuthi as this is it, I'm keeping this baby, kusho khona ukuthi I'm going to do this. So yeah.
And then fast forward, so who was there for you in that experience?
It was my grandmother.
Oh.
Yeah, masengizomthola because bekahlala eBrakpan. So she had to take me in and then ngizohlala naye. So but then azange kube nzima kakhulu yazi makasakhona because she was a nurse.
Oh, uyinesi?
Yeah.
Kuphi?
Unfortunately akasekho.
Gogo.
Yeah, akasekho manje.
Bekayinesi kuphi sorry?
Kingsway.
So umtholele Kingsway?
No, uqale eScotty and then she went Kingsway.
So mau hambi kliniki ugogo was the one bekakuloku akupusha because obviously mele uhambe clinic while you are pregnant.
Yeah.
And so then mawuthola umntana that particular day umthole nini?
Yo.
Hey, sorry quickly umntana.
It was on a Monday.
Okay.
19th November.
Oh.
So like yeah, there's booyah.
Yeah?
There's booyah because mangiphatha amapeni. Ugogo had to go to work.
Yeah.
She was like, bye-bye, guys. Nizasala nifonela ama-ambulance. You know, kuyekuthiki nje ngaleso sikhathi kuyaphithizela.
Yo,
but then, yeah, ngaye esibhedlela because she stayed at Station Road, eBrakpan. So it's near Ifa East. So bokuseduze nakhona.
So experience with the birthing experience, the nurses, how was it apart from ugogo or sekakuthathe through that? How was it for you? Being so young, because I can imagine isibhedlela siyathusa sikuke sibangaka.
Yeah.
Siyathusa especially kuleya situation. But for when, how was that for you?
For me, kuyakathusa ne, but then I just told myself ukuthi kumele ngibe strong because either way lo mntana uyeza akajiki. But then ngathola amanesi alright. I understand ukuthi like lento lena like akusinto engijwayele ngiyafika. So they was very supportive banginceda because I had high blood. So they had to go to bang.
So cesarean umntana?
No.
Right.
Yebo.
Wena uyilegend man. Normally phela bajahile ukuthi bakusike mawune high blood. So wena next. Unangaki u18 November ne?
U19 November. She's 18 years of age.
Wow. Wow. So after then uyamthola umntana. What changed in you? Oyifilile ukuthi manje angisafani nabanye abantwana, because birthing and that experience nje alone masobuya umphethe package lena, so uphethe ubona ukuthi nanga umuntu manje lana. What was that for you? Ngibuyisele lapho nje ungibufake icashweni zokuthi yo mina mangibuya it was like this.
Mangibuya bengisharp because ngimthole November. Abantu baya kuma festive.
Okay.
Angikho nje lapho vele nje nayinto angimele ngibheke ngifocus, you know. But then bengisharp and then I came back maybe around February.
Okay.
Sengibuya ngapha Davidson again sengizonakekela umntwana. One thing engasho ukuthi engachange. Yeah, like ngayikhipha nasengqondweni ukuthi nje ngikhohle nje ngami. Kuza yena kuqala in everything. Before ngidla kudla yena, before ngigeza yena. Like now mele ngicabangela abantu abayi2. Ngicabangele nakuqala ngiphinde ngicabangele mina. So buku a bit challenging. But then I pulled it through. Like ngangikwazi ukuthi ngibambe. Either way ubaba khangekho or akhona nje. Ngingakhona.
Ama dreams akho Tharelo bekuyini prior to the pregnancy? What did you want or aspire to be?
Bengifisa nje ukuthi yazini like ngiphumelele. Ile kahle ukuthi ukhona umntwana or akekho umntwana, ubaba ukhona or akekho, like, but then bengasinhloso yami, it just happened. And you know esikhathini esiningi uma pregnant umncane and then une support leyo encanyana, I appreciated everything like engithola ngaleso sikhathi. And then benginalento le encane nje bengidisturb ukuthi ubabakhe wanted ukuthi mina naye siqhubeke siba mala Vitavi, forgetting ukuthi ukhona number 3. So he would even ask sometimes ukuthi unjani yena afuna nje mina naye siqhubeke sibe ku honeymoon phase and stuff, but I couldn't because bengicabanga ukuthi into yokucala umntana muza kucala boyfriend no girlfriend abasekho manje sokumele acabanga ukuthi sumama nobaba but then nebeka lapha afuna ukuthi sibuyele emuva but I couldn't so yinto esikhathini esiningi besicabanela so I had to move on or like ngiphume lapho ngingabi nje umuntu oseseyintombazana singumama manje
beni same age no
yeah.
mntana
yeah.
And then if family yakibo in terms of being supportive apart from the financial aspect emotionally and otherwise beba did they play a role ukuthi bambonise naye ukuthi no phela so ubaba manje uthwarele seka umama anisese boyfriend and girlfriend did they try and mhlambe to step in because when angiyazi unogogo but on his side bayile bazama mhlambe ukuthi asithi si build lento le because bayabona ukuthi uyayifuna but aka understand ukuthi the roles have changed
angeke ngicama mangazange I think ukuthi umama wakhe uyabona ukuthi mina kahle ngathi ngisamfuna umntana wakhe and then wakhetha ukuthi asupport umntana wakhe in whatever ayenzayo wasitshela ukuthi if uyaphuma kimi nabo bayaphuma ngimkhulisile like and azange ngibe stress azange ngibe stress kakhulu but then umntana uyakhula I believe ukuthi umntana okamama ekugcineni nje into ekumele siyazi ya umntana okamama kumele umkhulise kumele uyibambe ekugcineni nje kumele nje uwazi ukuthi you must be there for umntana wakho.
So una 18 manje 19 the whole ukhulisa umuntu akukho easy Tharelo uyasebenza manje
no angisebenzi
so ukufika ku18 nifika kanjani
sifika ngokuthi umfazi kamalume wami
okay
ya wangibambela yena wamkhulisa yazi wamkhulisa umntanami but then I was also there but bekayibambile so unfortunately naye ushonile last year
oh man
so but then umntanami ngihlale naye before shona
okay
I think she was 15 sekakwazi ukuzikhuluma manje ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlala nomama ngifuna umama manje you know like sekafuna ukuhlala nami full time but then masekulapho sengiyabona ukuthi hayi manje sekamdalanyana yakwazi ukuthi ngithi hlanganisa you know ukuthi umama mele
uyahlanganisa
uyalwa
understand
kakhulu
yo Tharelo sakho sangithatha so makule okay njengoba bekakhulisa amalume njengoba senikhona i-relationship yenu enjani and baba khona sesekhona in the picture even though not financially but how is the relationship between nina noyi-3 nje in that space
eqinisweni asina relationship mina naye
okay
ever since maybe umntana bekana like I'd say 2 months maslugana angina relationship naye and like angikwatanga sharp
okay
and but then angifuni ukukhuluma naye ni right but if angimnqabeli ukuthi abone umntana wakhe angimnqabeli ukuthi ayenze anything nomntana wakhe but he's never been there umntana bokuye mhlambe uzathi mina ngekhaya but then and bengamkhulumi kabi ke
okay
hayi bengamkhulumi kabi uzibonele manje vele njengoba sekakhulula ukuthi hayi ubaba seems like akanasikhathi but then anyeke size siba blame but into zabo bagcina bazikhiphele bantwaneni bethu because I believe ukuthi there's something etrigger umuntu ukuthi azi ukuthi unomntwana bese angasupport azi ukuthi unomntwana bese angabuza ukuthi unjani you understand but then thina ezabo mama kumele ukuthi sikwade because I believe ukuthi masokwada uthi ubheka leyo mntwana loya naye akwenze lenye into avela afana nobabakhe uvele soyakwada sokhiphela engemntwaneni anakufuneki
ibulungu lento ikhulumayo like I'm a mom myself and ngiyaka-understand lento esho because yazi makuba khona umntwana it is always you know good kusuke ku-right kumnandi and then umuntu masekakhula ilife maseyihamba and then now so feel ngathi yazini should lo mntana if bekungasiyi bekazostruggle uyayibona lento leyo so around ifamily yakho how has that been because ngiyazi ugogo no umfazi kamalume uye bekakhona but then now uyi-one or do you have people around you
like I'd say angikho yi-one nginomntanami anginomntanami angikho yi-one and then in terms of a family like after umama ashona that's when uzobona ke amathukhala zabantu ukuthi man labantu laba bebakhona because of this person so but then angikho lapho ngikhulile nomntwana mele ngicine ngibe strong because manje mawuzogijima uya kamamkhulu uya kamalume because isikhathi nabo mhlambe bayakhathala but then most of all ngiyaphila.
Ukuba umzali akuna manual and akekho umuntu okuprepare ukutshela ukuthi this is how. Some days they are stressful than others. Kunamalanga la ufika khona ukuthi you know what, I can't do this. I know mina after ngiba nabantwana especially my first, because of the situation around ubabakhe ngaba ne postpartum depression, and then it happened again with the second because of the situation, and then now I've found love ebantwaneni bami. However, I still have a life outside my kids. Do you think abazali sizibulala kakhulu ukuthi we forget about ourselves and focus on our kids when unayo life outside of your kids, or umntana wakho has become an excuse for yonke into engiyenza ngenzela yena, yonke into engiyenza ngenzela and uzikhohliwe wena?
Akukhonakali. I do have a life outside.
Yeah.
Like beside mntanami and so ever. Akukhonakali ngiyayidinga ibreak. Like noma amdala ngaka ngiyayidinga ibreak. Azikunesikhathi la mangihleli nje. Ngibone kahle ukuthi you know lamabonda lawa angikhoni. But then noma ngikuphi ngiyamcabanga. But ngiyayidinga ibreak like mampela. Even now like nje makungathiwa nje uyahamba uye esikoleni like ngiyayidinga ibreak. I'm not saying ngifuna ukuthi abe kude nami, but then kuba nesikhathi sami ngibe one ngizicabange ngijule and find myself bese like right. But then the minute nje mhlamba ngekho 2 days 3 days
iyavakala leyo shift
ngiyazokala ukuthi hayi manje hayazini labuye. But then kumele sizithande, sikhumbule futhi ukuthi singabomama yes, but akukwenza ukuthi sokumele manje uzilahle, ungazithandi, ungazicabangeli, because ekugcineni nawe umuntu. Ingqondo mele ibe right.
Ube right
Emoyeni nje, yeah, emotionally.
When Cyril strict or
hayi mina I know angishayi.
Yeah.
Angirasa ngiyathetha.
Yeah.
Bayangazi nje naselokishini ukuthi ngiyathetha. But then umntanami ngaphika ukuthi wami, she's quiet.
Okay.
And she knows ukuthi yabona umama makase a raise a voice like this. Akuse correct. Makuseyenza sokuse correct, but ngiyamthanda umntanami. Ngiyamthanda kakhulu, and she knows ukuthi yazini inyalwa kakhulu okhulile, and I wouldn't say people know, she knows ukuthi and futhi akekho umuntu ozomthanda ukundlula mina ke noma kungenzakalani akekho. So yeah,
so azange usaba nomunye uzame futhi
angeke ngikhone like angeke ngikhone, kunzima. Lo oyiwani lo right because kunzima ukukhulisa yena. You know, sometimes intombazana bekasangenile ku-puberty stage and everything. So kose manje ngenzeni ngivimbe ezinye izinto mina ebekade ngingazenzela zona. Cabange yena, ngithengele yena izinto zakhe, you know, ezintombazana. Uyakhula, ufuna ukuba muhle, ufuna ukuqhina, ufuna ukwenzani. So nje if ngiba nomunye umntwana angifuni futhi bengafuni futhi ukumneglect.
Yeah.
Uthole manje mina sala nomntwana.
Eish.
Asala nomntwana kabani? Sala nomntwana mina ngiseke kuphi no. Na umdala. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi mangihambile but I cannot go 2 days 3 days, ngihamba 1 day. And make sure ukuthi hayi umntwana mele ngibuye endlini, intombazana. Mele ngibuye endlini, mele ngizombona. Understand? So but then kuba nomunye umntwana angiboni sis.
Namnyesaba. Siyafaka.
Yeah.
But like in terms of our relationship wakho as ukhula evolve as uTharelo, does the factor of ukuba nomntana always come into play ukuthi motoli you know ukunikeza 500 and then you like expect ukuthi ayenza lo mntana wakho? Are you that person, or you separate umjolo from the relationship yomntana wakho? I just want to understand ukuthi uyangena ku relationship and then umuntu mele azi ukuthi nginomntwana and umntana uneyidingo, or you just cut it out wenze ngathi awunamntwana?
ngingaba kuyo after ubabakhe i-4 years but after lapho angazi ngizothini mhlawumbe ngizobeka kabi ngabanyanya abafana because ukuhlukana kwami naye loyo muntu loyo enibeka khona empilweni yomntanami after that ngazitshela ukuthi akekho umunye umuntu wesilisa uzoba khona empilweni yami bese abe khona empilweni yomntanami because umntanami akakwazi Peter
beba ne relationship.
Yes. So now sekakhulile fine but she doesn't even ask ngayene but then uyamazi so ngazitshela from lapho ukuthi no angisafuni and in terms of our relationship ngishesheng ngiboreke so if like angisaboni even if uze ngama good intentions angisakuboni nje ngivele
kanje sorry
like ngamampela angisaboni ngiyakwata ngibona ngathi ufuna ukungenza same thing
ish
you understand unang sekafuna ukungilimaza nalo sekafuna eish
so uguarded wena nje uyaziprotect ayindlela oziprotecta ngayo leyo
exactly and not to say I don't mingle yahlangana nabantu bemnandi
bathi phelela la
kufike la yeah angisamuzwa manje umuntu ukuthi uthini vele ngisheshe vele ngithi angisakuzwa manje but I'd love to be in a relationship ngajabula nami but kuyafika isikhathi ube lonely funa ukuthi ungathi ungahleka nawe ubona abantu bahamba laphana or bazihlelele nje but okwamanje angiboni man angiboni and ngiyaguga ngiyaguga I'm turning 37
uyaguga 37
ngiyaguga sisi
no way
kube manje ngiku-stable relationship
but awucabanga ukuthi i-pressure leyo esiyizifakela yona thina
apart from that i-pressure ngiyadinga ukuba happy
happiness
and I'm not saying i-happiness ibuya emuntwini wesilisa but ngiyadinga ukuthi ngihlekisane nasomeone mina like sengonye point futhi ukuthi sibazahlala amakhaphuli mina hayi ngiyulo uyavele ngihlezi ngiphethe
sila sila
ngihlezi ngiphethe and angibi newari
anaka disappoint hleza khona
akangijikeli njengalozo ngijikela yeah you understand so
yeah
nginjalo and like ayisangistress kakhulu mara nokuhlala ngithi hayi mara shame yazi nami ke nomuntu sekathi i-chance ngibona kahle ukuthi hayi sekacela amaningi acala but yeah life happened and mara like sacubeka
so ukhulisa umntwana entombazana ngihlezi ngizwa ngumamami but mina personally angifuni ukuba nomntwana especially wentombazana because I've seen how harsh life is for the girl child la ukhona manje Thando, do you think you're doing enough to protect umntanakho from things that you went through as your younger self? Do you think you're doing enough for that?
Yeah, I am, but you know abantwana ne no matter how harsh or umzali ngaba strict umntana makafuna ukwenza izinto uzoyenza I don't wanna lie umntana makafuna ukujika uzojika sibe nawo ama-ups and downs umntanami makangena vele sekabe teenager sekacela ukugijima nabangani wenzani but ngazitshela ukuthi yazini singibukele khuze lapho nalapho fakiswa zinyana lungise you understand but then I mean umntwana ngizokutshela ke ukuthi ungathi intombazana romfana esikhathini esiningi kunale nto leyo ukuthi bebahlala bayala amantombazana intombazana omfana that's why ithola umntana omfana baba bazenzela abantwana babafana ngoba awumyala ukuthi boy umntana intombazana umphatha so iqanda boy senza so
ngiyasaba
because manje umfana uthi hayi uzabona intombazana uzothi my princess no you don't do that asitshena abantwana ngikufana bazi ukuthi mina mangumfana ngenza so umyale naye abone ukuthi kumele ngiphile so ezingumntana umfana ngikhule so umuntu esifazana uyahlonishwa because siyazibona la ngaphandle uthola ukuthi ugayima ka-approach nawe uyamangala ukuthi hayi kanti sibuye emakhayeni kanjani ukhuliswa kanjani
hey
So kunzima kahle kahle ukukhulisa umntwana kunzima
Yeah.
kunzima nje mele wena uzazi ukuthi ufunani and uyapi ngalomntwana lo ngoba into yokuqala you know uma somntwana goes astray they always say umamakhe ufuzile vele you know but then asimele sibambe.
And then yena school wise uqedile.
She's in matric.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ufuna kuphi?
Inyathi.
Oh, wait, nine. All the best, nine.
Yeah.
She's and then so after school, what are her plans? Ufuna ukwenzani yena?
Akakhulumi yazi. But then siyaba nama conversations yana she's going to school yeah. But then sizo apply uzakhethana lapha because right now she's doing business.
Okay.
Bo history.
Okay.
So mina bengenza bo physics. So angazi yena ngapha
child.
uyokhethana. Hey kunzima sisibe sizama.
Yeah.
But then imali man. Sikolo sidinga into eziningi nje. At least nawo kumnandi ngoba mina efsasa ekhipha enzani. Back then I wanted to go to school. But then ngana support eningi from my family yami because uma ngesikoleni kumele ngigibele. Kumele ngiqoke kumele ngidle umntwana futhi. So I had ukuthi yazi ngifuna umsebenzi. Now uzothola uphele. Phinda uthole uphele. You understand? So but then if anyone could say nje kuphela nje ufuna ukuya esikoleni manje I'd go. Ngaya.
Manje ungayenzani if ungafunda?
As angisabona ukuthi ngakhetha.
Noma
Ngafuna nje into eseduze you know just to get lo msebenzi loyo nje o stable ozokwazi ukuthi yazi ngiphile nomntanami.
So awuna maybe ama skills into uzitshela ukuthi hayi lengikude ngayenza le.
Kakhulu bengibheke repetition. Because ngiyabithanda kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyabithanda kakhulu. Into ezinhle ngiyazithanda nje vele. But then ngingazike ukuthi ngicabanga until nini ngoba iminyaka iyahamba. Iminyaka iyahamba.
But you're still young.
Yeah. I'm still young but
Still young. No, inkulumo zaselokishini ukuthi 37 la somda. No.
Somda yeah.
Young. Yeah, you're still young. But
mara mele sicabangele phambili. Because manje ngize ngithi mina ngimncane until nini? That
life begins at 40.
Ngeke sisi. Mele angikwazi ukuthi ngimncane until nini? Mele sikhuleni masingabantu.
Ikuphethe kahle AC lapho.
Yo, imnandi kanjani?
Sarel, asikhulume financially in terms of your motherhood journey. Izinto ezifana nazabo ma social grant, do I try to apply for zona or do you go wafika kuleso space less?
Yeah, like umntana msekaphumile anyway. She's 18 now ngisho.
Oh yes.
Yeah, sekaphumile yena bika sharp.
And then I was ujike maintenance court.
No, I didn't. You know, I just felt ukuthi he knows ukuthi unomntwana. And then why mele manje ngilokhu ngigijima namakhothi. Umntana uzodlala into engidlayo. And angifunanga ukuba uyilo mama lo okwatile. Wathi ngifuna ukumlaya. Angisho ukuthi laba abagijima ama maintenance court. But then back then naye babakhe bekasebenza but then ngamboni ezukuthi umuntu engamthatha ngimsema court mara ngimbona ukuthi umuntu ongakhona ukumsupport umntanakhe amenzele 1 2 3 but ngoba yena bekangafuni I feel ukuthi bekangafuni hayi ukuthi bekangakhoni bengangafuni because he knew ukuthi uyeza umntwana uzoba ubaba umntana wakhe uqala ke
hayi
uqala uwaze ngayo ukuthi hayi
uyenza abantwana
yeah so you know ngahlala phansi ngajula nje ngathi mara motho watsiba mos watsiba gore ke balengwana so why tshwanetse ke mmathise ko morago e re ntse re busy re kana di court no
so relationship e teng between ngwana hao le bana ba hae
no relationship ana leng yona ke ba auswa hae
okay
anto hae because bana leng bona no naso batsibi
okay
naso batsibi but then maybe maybe not I'm not sure because nna a ke latele haholo because ngwana ka a ona ntshwa sampotseng yona but for now o khathile off go lena I don't know why but then bana le dilo tsa bona ba le two and nka se re go boditse aka mmotsa next o iponetse you know yeah.
Do you think as mothers we are waiting to see our kids finally see the real reason why things didn't work out with their fathers. It's like Luena, it's like what la experience hele hore ke motho jwang before wena o mo botse. Do you think ke ntho ya rona re jwalo because o ka se bui all the time hore tata ha o ke ntja wa ithulela fela hore cause ngwana ke ngwana, you know? Do you think Luena o emetse hore ngwana experience that a tlo go understand why go le so?
Yeah, ho sharp ebile. Ho sharp because lintsha hore o kenye ngwana moya, I still believe hore o mo kwatetse so o batla mo senyetsa mo ngwaneng o. Ene mara ke batla o botsa hore ba tseba bana ba rona ba jwang le ho ka dula a ka ba le 40 ngwana hao ha batla ntata hae wa mo batla
sana
hona le batho ba lekanang le rona antsa re mfunu babam o bopisa re mkhozi ka ntuno baba a re anya mfunu babam o bo makale so ngwana hao ha sa matla ntata hae wa matla le ho ka mo hampe wa ya south wa ya north ha batla ntata wa hae wa matla and this thing ya bua bontate hampe must stop nje batho ba stop e wrong o ka mkatela ntata ngwana but e wrong because of ngwana lena ha mmona o bona that animal handa o tsebe re hasana le ngwana hae maybe act in some kind of way
bateng ba roka le bana ba bana o ntse go tshana le ntata
yeah but ho wrong because of ene kana ko ntata wa yo bene o tlo etsang o tlo batla ntata
o mo raka
ka mang hanti o tlo matla and at the same time ha ba tlo ngwana a imo and why sa ba tlo ngwana a imo excited batleng ko hore re kenyetse bana ba rona moya yes a una ngwana wa mahala hayo tshwantse ba etse ntho tse right accordingly ba support bana ba etseng and then at the day ha so sa batle ka ngwana motho a re hai wena o kwatile o nenhliziyo embi a una nhliziyo embi a una ngwana mahala but go gcine re protect bana ba rona but re ba protect until ning na that's why ke re motlohele a iponele ngwana hore hanta taka vele
so mo motsamaeng ya how in terms of relationship how so kopane le motho ana le bana and then wena wa ithola o le in a position ya gore o be a stepmother
no that relationship ne kana le yona ne nna le ngwana but ngwana na dula le mhae ene na le monyane she was about 2 or 3 so hangata ke mona ke holo fela ke nana yeah so wa kana le moholonyana so go ba stepmother so experience wa bona nana ke a pepanyana mmaga ya hanthola wa lwana nyana but Jamanyana tseo actually zona.
So Luena how so be that bitter baby mama ololwana mo le habo so okay la azangu libehlake because we all have that one crash out
azange right and as much as ke hlanya like you white king as much as ke hlanya no that's why kile ka fitla ka dula ko fatshe you know nsare mo maka wila me se I was like arai ngwana eng ka re ka mogonna o ntlhokometseng ka teng ke kopa hlokomele ngwanaka because ke tlo mkuka ke me se at the end of the day ha sa batlo sapota ngwana ha a batle and a ka ntsha milione ngwana ba tla ntata hae le a ka re ka diphahlo tse kae a etsang ngwana o batla ntata hae so o batla ho bonda le ntatwa hae so o ka monga motho Mr. Court and then chelete e tle ngwana o mapese and then what o batla ntatwa hae ngwana
so wa believe hore bo single parent bo tsamaya bo felle somewhere that father figure when in your words you feel hore father figure is important ngwana wa itlhoka father figure
yeah it's very important because especially how tla kobaneng ba bashimane you know ngwana wa mshimane haholo o batla mothatlo to look up to hore ke hole ke batla tshwana le buto ha ona ngwana o tla reng nna ke batla tshwana le like ba le ba wa bona le wena man hore
even tateng o nwa ngombione
ya le pharanyana man but ngwana yeah but lwana ha batla like lwana ha o thola someone o tlo phelang le ena for bana ba hao o tlo batla a decent man o tlo batla motho o tlo bang a good example ho tshwana le ngwanana ha motho wa monna a tlo thola a girlfriend entsha o tlo batla ngwana no iphuthileng hore le ngwana ha mmona hore mamncane sibongile hore mang a yo muhle mina umamam le hesi mamakhe mara a tsebe hore muhle a tsebe ho bona hore it's keng le nna ke khole ke batho ba ngwana nanyana tshwanang le ausi o ha ba tlo kgetha fela so that's why ke re father figure ya hlokeha mara se ritile jana o khona ke khore ho ditsa bana ba rona re tsela pele o tla mtshola hona ka mo malume ka mo nkere o tla bona ra malume ke fada le yena ona taba
so ngwana how ke tsa ba o tlo shebela episode A o batlo mo ke eng tho batlang go mo jetsa yona a tlo gone gore a tswele pele ka yona in life about life's lessons because life is not easy and at least when umo you didn't have you at your age, but what can you say to her right now as she is watching this episode?
Yo, ayisikolong. Ayisikolong. Mshimana kasimitsitsi. There's one thing you should know. Ayisikolong. Ngwanaka akena sekolo. Abele ntho tsa hae. I know I didn't have that opportunity, but then I told ayisikolong abale atsebe hore ene ke mrata. And I wish all the best for her. Atsebe hore ke teng if o ya nursing ke ya le yena. If we are sponsoring ke mo, understand? Askari because of maga. O so le na ke batla ba so. No I ke batla tjo.
And then to Mama Lenghono, because I believe they are with us all the time. What is it that you want to say? Because I can see they raised you very strong when it's Harelo.
Yeah.
You're such a brave woman. And it's so easy for a person to look at somebody and just judge them off face value. But there's always, I believe, there's depth in a person.
Yeah.
But what would you like to say to them? Hore, batong, king o batlang go ipuang ko bana.
Ke batori ke sa barata. Ke sa barata although ba siyo. And then I'm trying my best ba bona. Bophelo bo sharp. Ho bima but then ba bona. But a gona ntsheng ka itshong engata nje. Ba bona le bona and then hopefully ba tla mpulele ditsela. Ke sa tsebeng byang. But then nkere ba tshwara batho ba rubetseng ba bona. Yeah.
And re ka se gone go tlela morao wena Tharelo. However, to your younger self, I always like talking to my younger self.
Yeah.
I feel that's how we heal as people. Gore o kgone ho bua with your younger self. So to younger Tharelo, ke eng ntho o ka e buang ko ena, even if it's to ask for forgiveness, because I feel hore life happened and then you fell pregnant and then after that your whole life story was just centered around you being a mother.
Yeah.
And outside of that, we know nothing about you. What would you like to say to your younger self at this point?
I would like to say I'm sorry. For we ngizothina ukuzigcilaza. Nizenza umama ngisesemncane kakhulu because ngisalidela. But then because as batho ba re bana ke it's a blessing. Ka itse hore ai le nna ke filwe. Ere ke tswele pele ke bone hore bophelo bo mphang. Unfortunately, dilo da tsama the way ne ke expectile ka teng. But ke hodile janong. And then if only nka khona ho change dintho. Nka se be pregnant. If only. But then keep it thabe because there are women out there. They can't conceive. Abakhona uthola bana, and then to them happy. It doesn't make you less of a woman. Naki feel and must appreciate gift taken and ngona hona.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Tharelo, thank you so much. I know your story is going to touch a lot of people. It touched me.
Yeah.
But you are very, I'd like to believe that every woman that is going to come here is iconic because it needs a lot of you. And sometimes there are days whereby you want to give up, but you're still standing, you're still gorgeous, you're beautiful. And there's more to life for you after this. Believe me, you. Badimo hasidi tlaela, and keep on being bold as you are.
Yeah, thank you.
Where do we find you on social media platforms? Please talk to the camera.
Don't tell go Facebook, Swarelo Ntuli. Or don't tell go TikTok, Standwa Ntuli.
Viewers at home, this was a lovely episode. I hope you enjoyed yourself as I did myself. This conversation was sponsored by AC Wine, where we promote responsible drinking. Listen, my take from this episode is that don't forget who you are at the end of everything. Life is not easy, but we wing it somehow. Mothers are just superpower people. They got the strength. I don't know where you but sinayo. And I'd like to applaud all the mothers that are watching this episode. And I'm saying to you, you're doing a very good job. It is not easy raising a human being on a personality yake, on a characteristic wake, and on a life. So don't be too hard on yourself. But from me to you, it is nothing but love and light. And hopefully you'll be the next person here joining me on this blue couch, talking all things motherhood, fatherhood, parenting, and co-parenting. But don't forget to like this video, leave your comments down below. I forgot to say that, and subscribe to this channel. We're still celebrating our 100,000 YouTube subscriber mark. It's celebration this whole month of March. Don't forget to do the right thing. So I will see you soon, guys. Take care of yourself and take care of your kids. And mara